I don't know if you've ever thought about this, but there is something that every single human being on the planet does. And some do it really well, some don't do it really well. Some do it in a way that breaks off the ability to have any type of relationships with the people around them. Some do it in a way that connects those relationships and makes them even stronger. Then as you get older, you learn there's so many layers to this thing. And if you keep learning, the thing that happens is that your connections with other human beings just continue to deepen at a pace and a level that you possibly never understood. Then all of a sudden, maybe life happens and you start to pull away, and then the connections start to break, or you say some things that are offensive or hurtful because you get frustrated or you get down, and then all of a sudden the connections get to break. Oh my goodness, what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about communicating. You know that. Every single human being on the planet communicates. And research shows that we do it up to 90% of the day. 90% of the day, we're communicating somehow. And most studies I'm reading shows that we're the most disconnected generation ever. That for the first time, with so much technology, with so many ways to be connected, we're actually more and more disconnected. And I'm someone who loves communication, and I still mess up every single day. I still fall flat. And that's why I'm on this journey to continue to learn and to grow. Why am I saying all of this? Well, because we have put together a course that I want to introduce to you, and it's called the How to Communicate course. And literally every day, I'm not even exaggerating this, every single day, I talk to leaders, I talk to moms, I talk to dads, I talk to principals, I talk to teachers, I talk to accountants, I talk to financial advisors, I talk to bosses, I talk to Generation Z folks. I talk to people every single day who are struggling to communicate with the people around them, and they need the principles behind true connection. And that's why I would love for you to consider purchasing our course. It's $87, 7 videos. It's going to take you through video by video and worksheet by worksheet the principles behind those true connection pieces. Are you tired of not being heard at work? This course will help you being heard. Are you tired of the discommunication between you and your spouse, you and your partner, you and your girlfriend, you and your boyfriend, you and your fiance? This course will help you merge that connection. Are you tired about the lack of communication with your kids? This course will help you build that connection. Do you want to develop a voice that people lean in and listen to you, where your influence amplifies? Just over here, I have my record player. There's this little knob that turns it up, right? It amplifies it. Is that what you want to happen in your communication? Well, here's the reality. $87. You'll get access to this course. You'll have all the worksheets, you'll have all the videos, and what you also have is you'll have access to me. And I would love to help you. I would love to answer any questions. I would love to walk you through it. And just $87 this course, if you go through it from beginning to end and actually lean into it. A lot of times people buy courses, they don't even get through the first 2 videos. But if you actually go through it all the way, you print out the worksheets, you take notes, you do the self evaluation, you do the exercises, I know that your influence can increase. I know that your voice can be heard. And I know you'll be able to hold yourself in a different way because you will be connecting to connect. So I hope you will consider purchasing this course. You can go to speakwithpeople.com/store, speakwithpeople.com/store, and purchase this course today. And I would love to know when you do that. I would love to know about your journey so I can cheer you along, I can help you, and I can be there for you. Because the powerful thing happens is that when we don't take for granted the thing that all of us does, but we actually lean into it and we actually improve it and we actually take the time to get better, what will happen is you will experience true connection. And I'm going to be here cheering you along the entire way.